In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur faces and objects using Canva's blur tool. It's a fantastic feature that allows you to highlight or obscure parts of your image effortlessly. Whether you want to maintain privacy by blurring faces or create a soft, dreamy effect on certain objects, this guide will walk you through each step to accomplish just that. Let's start by opening up Canva and loading the image you want to edit. First, navigate to your Canva homepage and select the image you'd like to work with. If you haven't uploaded your photo yet, simply click on the Upload section in Canva's sidebar and select the image you want from your device. Once your image is displayed on the canvas, the next step is to click directly on the image. By doing this, you're ensuring that Canva recognizes which image you'd like to edit. It's a simple click that will make the editing options appear at the top of your workspace. Next, look carefully at the menu above. Click on the Edit button, which will open up a range of editing tools available within Canva. This includes basic adjustments like brightness and contrast, as well as more advanced options. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this section, as it will be your best friend for editing in Canva. Now search within these options for the Blur tool. You'll find it nestled among other effects. Once you've located it, click on Blur. This will activate the blurring feature and allow you to decide how intense you want the blur effect to be. Canva's interface is intuitive, so all you need to do is experiment with the blur intensity until it looks right for your image. With the blur tool active, it's time to get creative. Simply brush over the parts of the image that you want to blur. You can drag the brush over areas like faces or license plates, or even create an artistic look by blurring the background to make your subject stand out. Take your time here, as applying the blur gently and thoughtfully can drastically change the impact of your image. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you have successfully blurred parts of your image using Canva's intuitive blur tool. Don't forget to save your work by clicking on the download button at the top right corner of the screen. Make sure to choose the format that best suits your needs, whether it's a PNG or JPEG for most purposes. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more creative content. See you next time, and happy designing.